Hey guys, so today we are going to do the question from lead code 1038 binary search tree to greater sum tree. So probably you are aware of what binary search tree is. Uh, for those who are not, it is a tree which has a special property that all the nodes on the right of it are have greater values than the root node, and on the left of it will have smaller values. We can take any node and it will satisfy the property. For example, if we take 1 over here, then we can see all nodes on the right are having greater values, while on the left are having smaller values. So now, getting ahead, we have to convert it into a greater sum tree. That means if we are at a node, then whatever the sum of all the values in the tree which are greater than this value, for example it is 6, and all the numbers greater than 6, whatever is their sum, we have to update this node with that sum. So that's why now here we can use the BST property, that is all the nodes on the right will have the value greater than the current node, right? So basically we are we have to find the sum of the node values having value greater than the current node. Like here, if it is 6, and we have to find all the sum of the greater node values, then we know specifically that all of them will lie on the right side, because that is the BST property. And yes, so they will be lying on the right side. So we are asked here to modify it, uh, the tree. So let us first see what we will do. So basically here, whatever here, it is sum of all these nodes. So let us build this value. And so basically if this is sum of all these nodes, that means this node 6 is sum of all these on the right. That means we have to pass the value from here and then here, and with that we don't have to calculate it again and again, right? So what we will do is we will go, like, okay, we will make a function, and the function will be like this: void function, and we will pass root node, and also we will pass a variable sum. Now void is, and we will pass it as a reference. Why I did that, I will explain you. Because as you can see, there will be recursive calls. From here we will get a call on the right, and again on the right, again on the right. So when we will return from here, we should have sum updated as 8, and here we will make it 15, and then again when it will come from recursion back to, we will make it 21. Now when we are going on the left side also, we have to take that value and make it 26. And so basically we have to notice that whenever we are coming from right side after recursion is take out from the stack, then we have to update the current node. But if we are coming from the left side, then we don't have to update the node, because from left side we will have the number which are lesser than the current node, right? So we have to carry that sum everywhere. So now what we will first check, we will check if node's right value is not null. Then we will go on the right side, and that is, oh, let me convert into node. Yeah, so node right, and whatever the sum, we will take that sum on the right. And after we have visited all the rights, from here we will go 6, 7, 8, then we will have nothing over here. Then what we have to do, that means we are coming back from the right side. So what we have to do, we have to update the value, which will be whatever the node value is plus sum. So from here, since it is null, it will not go, and it will directly update as the sum will be 0, so it will directly update here 8, and then we will try to go left not equal to null, then we will go on the left side along with the sum. Now thing is, should we update it again? Then we will come to know, no, we don't have to update it, because we are, after this recursion will be complete, we will be removing recursive calls from the stack, and that will be from left side, and since left side has lower values, so we don't have to do that. Now we will not update it. Now one thing is remaining, that we also have to update the sum value, which will be equal to node value. For example here, because we updated 8 and this is our sum, and we will go here 15 is our sum, 21 is our sum, we go here 26 is our sum. Now since we came on the left side, and from here, note that we came from this call left. So after removing this from recursive call, we will go back here, which means we are going from lower value. That means we don't have to add it to the root. So we don't have to add, right? That is why, but we need to have updated some. Why? Because we will go back here, and we require here 26, not 21. That is why we didn't have any updation over here. So let us write our driver function. First let me initialize sum to 0, and then call the function with the root and the sum, and yes, what do we have to return? Root, because we start our calls from here, it will go here, here, back here, then again here, and on the left side, then again right, back, left, back. So we will come here, alright. So again root will be our this same. So let us run this. Okay. Well,